Hello viewers and followers of my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to cut audio in Audacity. This cutting action can be useful if you want to cut a sound fragment from the audio and move it, for example, to the end of the audio, the beginning, or insert the audio in the middle. I'll play you an audio clip, which I'll then cut out. The sun was setting, casting a golden glow over the countryside. Emma sat behind the wheel of her bright red. I will now highlight with the mouse the audio fragment that I want to cut. Next, when the audio piece you want to select is highlighted, you need to press Edit. Under Edit you need to press Cut. Now the audio fragment is cut. Next, you need to select the area where you want to insert the cut audio fragment. I'll put the cut audio fragment at the very end. Next, press Edit. And under Edit, press Paste. The audio fragment will be inserted into the previously selected location. The sun was setting, casting a golden glow over the countryside. Emma sat behind the wheel of her bright red Mini.